Don't throw away leftover rice, make this amazing recipe. In a bowl, start by adding 3 units of egg yolk and mix. Then add the egg yolks to 350 g of cooked rice and mix everything together very well. Once this is done, heat a frying pan with olive oil and add 1 red onion and 1 carrot, both chopped, and fry for 3 minutes. Then add 100 g of ham in small pieces and 80 g of peas. Mix everything together and set aside. Now, add a little more olive oil to the frying pan and add the rice that was set aside and stir. Once that's done, add 3 egg whites and let them fry. Then add the vegetables to the rice in the frying pan and mix everything well. Tighten the salt, add black pepper to taste, and mix. And here it is. Our sensational rice with eggs and vegetables is ready to be served. Did you like this recipe? Then like and follow our page for more tips like this. Bon appetit and see you next time.